andito naman po tayo ngayon para sa panibago nating Red Gem, which is yung gagawin po natin is performing antenatal abdominal examination, Leopold's maneuver, and auscultation of fetal heart rate. So, ang una po natin gagawin is number 1 is check the procedure and nursing care plan ng ating patient na si Mommy. And then, step number 2 is gather all the equipment. So, first po, itong gamit ko, itong Pinard stethoscope. Yung ito po is, next po is measuring tape, sanitizing gel, antibacterial po, and draw sheet and pillow po na gagamitin natin mamaya po. So, ito po. So, step number 3 po is greet the woman and introduce herself. So, good afternoon po ma'am. My name is Cyrus Dave Dacomos. I'm your student, nurse coordinator, and I came from Manila Central University College of Nursing. And so, step number 4 po, explain the procedure to the patient and explain the rationale for each step as it performed. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon po is we're going to perform antenatal abdominal examination by Leopold's maneuver and auscultation of the fetal heart. So, ayun po. So, step number 5 po is instruct the patient or our mommy to empty the bladder. So, mommy, nakapihina po ba kayo? So nakapihina po siya. And then, step number 6 po is draw curtains around the bed. So, draw curtains. So, kapag nasa public po, hospital, so curtains kapag nasa private naman po tayong area is close na po natin yung door. So, yung ganun po. So, number 7 po is perform hand hygiene. So, sa inspection part na po tayo. So, number 8 po is position the woman for examination po. Ayan, position. And explain, another step po na gagawin natin is place the woman in the dorsal recumbent position. So, supine and knees flex po. So, mami, and dorsal recumbent supine. So, knees flex po. Ayan, ganyan. So, 8B sa ating checklist is place a pillow under the head for comfort. So, meron na po siyang pillow sa head part niya po. So, ayun po. Sa 8C po is we're going to put a small pillow or folded towel under the woman's right hip po. So ito po, pillow. So, maglalagay po tayo sa under ng hip po. So, mami, pakita ka. So, ngayon po is meron na po siyang pillow na nailagay po sa right hip. So, 8D po is yung hands po, yung arms po natin ni mami. Make sure nasa gilid lang po, nasa side. So, mami, yung kami po sa gilid lang po. Ayan. And then, 8E. So, draw sheet po. So, ayan. Maglalagay na po tayo ng, magde-drape na po tayo ng draw sheet po. So, So ano naman po is 8F, expose the abdomen below from the breast. So ayan po. So ito na po. So i-expose po natin. And let's make sure po na pag pin-expose po natin siya is nasa below the breast lang po siya. So ayan po. So step number 9 po is inspect the abdomen for the following. So, scars, diastasis reti, hernia, linea nigra, striae gravidarum, contour of the abdomen, state of the umbilicus, and also skin condition po. So, yung po yung inspect natin sa abdomen po ni mami. So, ayun po. So, step number 10 po is
Determine the fundal height using the ulnar side of the palm. So, makikita po natin dito sa chart from 12 weeks to 40 weeks po. So, start po tayo sa 12 weeks, level of symphysis pubis. 16 weeks, midway between symphysis pubis and umbilicus. 20 weeks, 1 to 2 fingers breathes below umbilicus. While 24 weeks, level of umbilicus. 32 weeks, halfway between umbilicus and sipod process. 36 weeks, at the level of sipod process. And lastly, ito na po yung pinaka-last, which is 40 weeks, 2 to 3 fingers breathes below the sipod process if lightening occurs. So, dito po sa chart na to is ma-determine po natin yung fundal height po by using the ulnar side po of the palm. So, ayun po. Thank you.
Number 11 po, so to measure the fundal height, so we have to use measuring tape po. So ito po, gagamit po tayo ng measuring tape para po masukat natin yung fundal height po. So, place the zero line of the tape measure. So ito po, place the zero line of the tape measure over the superior border of the symphysis pubis. So dito po, and then stretch the tape across the contour of the abdomen to the top of the fundus along the midline. So hanggang dito po, so measure po natin. So, ang measurement po ni Mami ay, ayan. So, 27 po yung kanyang fundal height po ni Mami. So, ayun po. And then, performing Lionel's maneuver na po tayo. So, 12 is instruct the women to relax the her abdomen muscles by bending her knees slightly and do relaxation breathing. So, Mami, relax lang po natin yung ating abdomen. And then, ano po tayo? Let's do relaxing breathing exercises po. So, 13 is warm hands by rubbing both palmar surface of your hands. Ayan po. And then, rest your hands on the woman's abdomen lightly while reinforce explanation given earlier. So, ayan po. So, ayan. Use flat palmar surface of the fingers and not fingertips during palpation. And always remember that keep your hands together. Ganito po. And then, wag po yung fingertips kasi po masakit po siya kapag nagpalpate po tayo. And, apply smooth and gentle pressure as firm as necessary po. So, ayan po. Para sa ating pong first Leopold's maneuver po is stand at the women's side and face the woman. So, and then palpate the fundus using both hands po. So, ayan. Curve the fingers around the top of the uterus and feel for the fetal part lying in the fundus po. So, ayan. And then, gamit po yung palm natin is pinapalpate po natin siya for the size, shape, mobility, consistency, yun po, and mobility of the fetal part in the fundus po. So, ayun. So, para naman po sa ating second Leopold's maneuver po is yung gagawin naman po natin is place your hands on the either side of the woman's abdomen about the midway between the symphysis pubis and the fundus po. So, move your hands to the sides of the abdomen and also with one hand in place na steady lang po, ito po, and then use the other hand po to palpate the opposite side with firm circular motions po. Ayan po. And then, repeat lang din po natin siya sa other side naman po. So, ayan. Ni-repeat naman po natin siya. So, ganito po kapag magpa-perform po ng second Leopold's maneuver po. Ayan. Circular motion. And then, let's make sure na yung isang side po ng kamay is naka-steady lang while the other po is doing the ano po. Circular motion, palpate po. Ayan. Para naman po sa ating third Leopold's maneuver po or Pollock's grip is we have to continue facing the woman po, si ating mommy, and then
grasp the portion of the lower abdomen immediately above the symphysis pubis and between the thumb and the middle finger po. Ito po is, ayan po. I-grasp lang po natin siya dito po. So, ganyan lang po ang ating third Leopold's maneuver po or yung ating tinatawag na Pollick's grip. So, dito po natin malaman yung kung engaged na ba yung presenting part, yung kay mommy po. Ayan. Ganyan lang po. So, para sa atin naman pong fourth Leopold's maneuver po is face the woman's feet and place the palmar surface of your hands on each side of the women's abdomen. So, kung kanina po is nandito po tayo, ngayon po nandito naman po tayo sa harapan po ni mommy facing the, ako po is naka-face naman po ko sa paanan niya po. So, place the palmar surface of your hands on each side of the women's abdomen po. Ayan. Use both hands and palpate fetal head using pressing downward gently lang po with your fingertips, and always remember is about 2 inches above the inguinal ligament. So dito po is dinedetermine natin po yung yung position po ni baby. And if hands converge around the presenting part, the head is not engaged. So, and other one naman po is, if the presenting part is engaged, there will be no mobility. This is indicative of an engagement head. Omit the fourth maneuver if fetus is in breech presentation, and take note po natin na this maneuver is performed only in a cephalic presentation po. So, ayun po. Ayan. Next naman po sa ating examination po is yung ating fetal auscultation using the pennard of the stethoscope po. So, place the pennard over the convex portion of the fetus closest to the anterior uterine wall po. So, ayan. And then, listen po by pressing in firmly, very gently, and count on full 1 minute without holding the pennard, while the other hand po is pinifeel naman po natin yung radial pulse po ni mommy. So ito na po. Full 1 minute po yung ating ginagawa po. Para po sa ating fetal auscultation po is at the same time na ginagawa po natin to sa ating pennard stethoscope is hawak naman po natin yung radial pulse ni mommy. So, ayun po. After po ng ating ginawang examination po sa ating kay mommy, so, sa ating susunod po na step is inform the women or sa mommy sa findings po natin. So, ayan. And then, tidy the woman's unit. So, ayusin na po na. Babalik na po natin yan. And then, bababa na po natin yan. So, ito naman po is, atin naman po is, sa ating step number 31 po is, after na po natin magawa to, is perform or wash hands po. So, and then, sa ating last step po is document findings and remarks if any. So, base po sa aking assessment is yung bata po sa Leopold's maneuver hindi pa po siya engaged and
naka-cephalic position pa po siya, and then yung fetal heart rate naman po niya is 125 beats per minute po. So, ayun po. So, all throughout is okay naman po yung ating naging procedure kay Mommy. And ayun po. So, thank you po sa panonood na aking return demonstration po. So, thank you po.